I'm gonna start talking about products that I genuinely love and recommend for people like me.
Beautiful.
Hot, cool, gay, you get the vibe. This brand called BoySmells. They've been around, I think, for like 5+ years. Anyways, I just bought like a ton of stuff from them. They have like fragrances, candles. Their most recent collab was with Bratz, like the dolls. I just like really love everything about their brand. They also did this collab with, you know, the Troye Sivan Rush album? Poppers were like a thing. BoySmells came out with a fragrance, like a spray and a candle called Citrush. It's supposed to resemble a Poppers bottle. That scent is like what really brought me to this brand. I don't even think I ordered any of the Citrush candle or scent in this order. I really don't even remember what I ordered. It was like a couple weeks ago, but this box has just been like sitting around like waiting for me to make this video. But I did get a lot of their holiday scents. I think their holiday scents are like 30% off now. Again, I waited so long to open this. It's just like, sometimes you need a couple weeks to get shit done, you know what I mean? Wait, don't look at my address. Don't look at my address and stalk and murder me. I will say, I'm like a huge slut for good marketing. Like, I love when brands have a really identifiable and like visually stunning, consistent brand across all their channels, and including in their like products, like the boxes, the font, the text messages and emails they send you, like the brand voice, all that stuff. Like, I love when all that shit is like perfectly aligned. They know exactly who they're targeting. And anyways, I just love like quality stuff. And this brand, wait, oh my god, this is what it looks like inside. It's like all these little, still so secretive. It's like I'm opening little gifts of every single one. There's so much in here, you guys. I'm just gonna take it out like this. I don't like this huge box just like sitting in front of me. It's distracting. You can't see my cute sweatshirt. And I know Christmas is over, but I don't give a fuck. As long as you're not like burning like Christmas tree or gingerbread, I feel like you can burn whatever the fuck you want. Let's start with this right here. Oh my god, this is really like, it's like Christmas. Ooh, look at the color. Okay, cool. So this is the BoySmells Body Mist and Fruity Lips. I love the color. Like, I know that doesn't matter. Like, we want to get to the product, but like, I just want to talk about the branding. Like, it's so good. Like, look at this box. Like, it's like matte on the inside, glossy on the outside, and I don't know if you can tell, but this kind of like is like a little 3D. It's just like a nice box, you know what I mean? And it feels expensive. It feels like, wow, like I spent money on this and they're putting money into like their boxes, and the little details that just make something feel luxurious is really just so evident in this brand. And I don't want to sound like a corporate robot right now, but I really do believe that. Like, I love this brand. And just look at the font, like, it's not like a cross and boring and dumb. It's like, let's do it sideways, guys, because then we can make our logo like bigger and take up more space on the box. Like, that's so smart. So for this scent, it says the top note is raspberry, the mid note is cherry blossom, and the dry note is cocoa butter, and the olfactive family is fruity. I'll be honest, like, I don't know what any of that means. I just know if I smell something and I like it or not. And I also like, I don't want to throw this box away. It's so cute. Like, maybe I don't want to be like that person that just like keeps boxes in back for no reason, but this is nice. Like, maybe I will use it for something. You never know. And look at this. Like, look at the bottle. It kind of reminds me of a pill, and I don't know if that's intentional, but it's not out of the question because this brand is very like, everything is just targeted to like hot, cool, gay people. And I mean, if you're straight, like obviously you can like buy this brand. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying they target hot, cool, young gay people. I think that's really smart. That's just where like everything starts. Well, we won't get into that. That's not where it starts. But it does go there before it goes really, really mainstream. Let's be real. Yeah, okay. Oh, oops. I'll be honest, like, I don't. It smells weird. I don't like it. To be honest, it's fine. Like, good thing I kept the box. I'll just give it as a gift. But for real, like, I don't like it. I don't like it on me. It is intriguing. Like, I can't stop smelling it, but I don't want to smell like that. Maybe it's the cherry blossom. It kind of smells like a Barbie's cooch. I don't know. If Barbie had a cooch, like it would smell like this. Next, let's do a candle. Ooh, this color is cool. So this is the Hinoke Fantôme Original BoySmells candle. I actually heard great things about this. This could be a total lie, but I feel like somewhere on their website or once upon a time, I heard that this was like their #1 best-selling product. So here's what it looks like. Again, I love the font. Under here it says BoySmells engraved or whatever. What's the opposite of engraved? Like engraved goes in, but like what's the opposite of it? Ungraved? I don't know. The first one was really feminine. Fruity Lips Barbie Pussy Spray. This is very masculine. It smells like it's like 1800s Japan and you're alone in the woods at night. But like in a good way, and like a fire's burning. Here's what it's supposed to smell like. Woody and earthy. So I was right. Literally, I was right. Woody in the woods and earthy, like, in the woods. I wish I didn't give a fuck about branding and like boxes and fonts and colors and design. Oh my god, this one's cute. But I do, and like I think that I don't give a fuck. Like that is what takes a brand from good to great. BS. Like again, maybe that's not purposeful, but I think it is. If you don't know this brand, you're not gonna know what I'm talking about. But they are a little like cheeky. I bought this one because of the name. It's called Broken Rosary. And again, like that's like, with their names, it's like they know who is gonna buy Broken Rosary, like bitches like me. Ooh, very flowery, a little powdery. It smells like a nice girl, and that's like interesting because it's called Broken Rosary. Is this what Mary smelled like? That was a joke. It was a joke. Stop. I like it. I will burn this in our house. Sometimes I think that like things just smell different to different people, and things smell different on different people. Things smell different at different times of the day or your environment, you know what I mean? Oh my god, this is cute. This is one of their holiday ones because it's like all wrapped. Ooh, salty caramel. Love the little ribbon. This has their name on it, BoySmells. I love that so much. Cute. I forgot about this one. Just know that like everything in our house is pink and green. Ooh, oh my god, this one's my favorite. Yeah, this is great. Oh my god. It's very like autumn vibes. But I think this could work any time of the year. Like honestly, it doesn't matter. Like if something smells good, it smells good, you know what I mean? Again, as long as you're not going for like Christmas tree scent or like sugar cookie, this is great. Okay, next up. Ooh, oh my god, stop. I know you think that it's giving SpongeBob. It kind of is giving SpongeBob actually. But anyways, this is the Citrush scent. I've never gotten this spray before, but I did order a travel size spray so I could take it on vacation. This is the Citrush smell. Again, I've only gotten the candle, and I'm really excited to smell this. And look, even like the inside is like red, like, it just like makes such a difference. Oh my god, slay. Look at the color. It looks like medicine. Maybe like these are supposed to look like pill bottles. If they're not supposed to look like pill bottles and you're from BoySmells and you're watching this, you're allowed to take that idea, but give me credit, and there's a lot more ideas where that came from, just so you know. Anyways, oh my god, look at the, before I even smell it, like look at the cap. It's kind of also giving Ronald McDonald. Like, this could be in like an adult naughty Happy Meal toy, because it's like based off poppers. Whoa. Wow, that's crazy. Why did I get the travel size? I should have gotten 2 travel size and 1 large size. So good. Wow, that slays. Okay. Ooh, this one's called Woodphoria. This smells like a really, really hot, sexy old man. Not a billionaire, because they're all toxic and scary, but he's definitely like making 500 to 900K a year. That is what this smells like. And he has a boat. It's not classified as a yacht. It's just a really nice boat that's named something like the Santa Maria. And he like spends the summers in Italy and smokes a lot of cigars. That's what this candle smells like. Anyways, this is great. 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, next, let's do this. This is not a spray or a candle. This is, ooh, the color. Slay, look at that color. It's different from this color. This one's a little darker. This color, that is pink. I don't give a fuck what anyone says. This is light pink. And is this supposed to look like cigarettes? Is this supposed to look like cigarettes? I don't know. Again, with the BS. Is it intentional? Is it not? I guess we'll see. This is called Rosy Cheeks, and it's like a cologne, or perfume, I guess. But they also have like every candle scent that BoySmells has, they also have that scent in a perfume and a spray. I don't know if I explained that earlier, but, and look how cute it is. It looks like a weird ass Teletubby or something, like, or like maybe like a game board piece, like the bottle. And again, the font, like Rosy Cheeks, and BoySmells is like reversed engraved. Anyways, I love this. Pop that little thing off. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that's crazy. This smells like the cool adult grown-up version of something you'd buy at Limited 2 in like 2003. It smells like really fruity. It smells really adult too. It's not like little girl, it's like cool girl. I don't know. It smells really good. 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, next, we have one more candle and one more spray scentsy spritzer thing. Oh god, okay. I don't love this bottle. It's kind of like giving like acne to me. For some reason, I don't like those colors, like freak me out. Anyways, this one's called Cherry Slay. I'm confused why it's called Cherry Slay. And the box is like iridescent purple, you know. The top note is black cherry. The mid note is amaretto. The dry note is oak wood. The olfactive family is fruity, so I'm probably gonna like it. I unfortunately do love fruity smells and fruity drinks. Oh. I'm done. Look at this. Look at that. That's so cool. That's crazy. And even like the cap is like really sparkly. That is so slay, honestly. And they use the word slay like for a product, like they know exactly who they're marketing. It's so fucking smart. I can't stop looking at it. I'm gonna shake it. Anyways, let's try. Wow. Oh my god. My mouth is watering. Literally, like, it, oh my god. Sorry, the camera died. Anyways, the camera died and then like, my dog had to go out and so I just took him on a walk and it's like 5 degrees outside. Anyways, Cherry Slay is amazing. I think right, I can't talk, my face is frozen. I think, it's like so hard to talk. I think right before my camera died, I was explaining what this scent does to me, like what it does to my body. And honest to God, when I smell it, it makes me hypersalivate. Like it smells like a juicy little starburst and it's so shiny and cute. We have 2 more candles and then we're done then. What is this one called? Starry Spice. They're doing it on purpose, like Starry Spice. It's like reminding me of the Spice Girls, like Sporty Spice, Posh Spice. Starry Spice. It's just like a, I know they're doing it on purpose. It can't be a coincidence, right? Let's see what this smells like. Oh my god, stop, look at the, it's like brown with pink like star bursts around it. That's really cool. It is really warm. I will say this does smell very holiday. Like it's not Christmas tree, but it's not like salted caramel, you know what I mean? It's kind of leaning this way, like more in the middle. Yeah, I guess this is my little Goochmas candle. Starry Spice. 8 out of 10. 7 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. Last candle. Oh my god. Thank god, I'm smart. Yes, this is another salty caramel. I think with these 2 candles, when the candle's out, I'm just gonna like figure out how to clean out the candle jar. It can't just be like soap and water. Like, there has to be more to it, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to sound dumb, but like, I feel like there has to be some type of like solution you put into it to like really clean the wax out. So this is definitely worth keeping, and so is this one. Okay, so that's it for my BoySmells haul. I'm really like happy and thankful. Everything honestly like really slays. Enough candles and scents to last me a really long time. Literally this thumbnail.